And I'm just going to quote, which says that as far as the report suggests, the loss of weight, it appears prima facie was because of less calorie intake by the Chief Minister. He was not having his meals on time.
If Arvind Kejriwal is reducing weight, I don't know what the actual fact is, that when the reports will come in by the medical board, that then it will be clarified. But whoever is to be blamed is to be blamed by either his family or Delhi administration. The reason I'm telling you the reason is because Tihar Jail comes under Delhi government, and the Delhi government head is Arvind Kejriwal himself. And the food which he's getting it is from inside the Tihar Jail is from Arvind Kejriwal's house. So if he's losing the weight and his sugar is dipping down, the only person responsible is Arvind Kejriwal himself or his family. But the allegation from Arvind Kejriwal and his gang is that some conspiracy is going on. I'm asking from Sanjay Singh only, that who is the one from Arvind Kejriwal family who is doing this conspiracy? Because at the end of the day, the people who are responsible is either your Arvind Kejriwal family or Delhi administration, which is headed by Arvind Kejriwal himself. See,
but what about those allegations being leveled by the Aam Aadmi Party, sir? Because they were saying that said authorities wanted Arvind Kejriwal's health to deteriorate while he was lodged in jail. He himself came out and said that insulin was not being given to him, was not being administered to him. How would you respond to those challenges, sir?
I believe these people are playing a vendetta politics or a bichara politics. 3 months ago, they were saying that the sugar has gone up and insulin is not given. Now they are saying his sugar has dipped down to 50-50. I mean, my only take is they want to diversify the issue of this corruption issue and say some vendetta politics is going on. My only allegation is, who is responsible? Delhi Tihar Jail. Tihar Jail comes under whom? Delhi administration comes under whom? Delhi Chief Minister himself. So whoever is to be blamed is Delhi Chief Minister. Why is not taking the food? Why is not taking healthy food? I mean, if he is not taking intake of sugar, obviously when insulin is on a higher side.
So there has been an instance where even when it comes to insulin, before dinner was apparently refused by the Chief Minister. He didn't take insulins as per just before the meals that one is supposed to have someone who is suffering from severe diabetes.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, this has to be examined by the medical board, what is happening. But whatever the allegation made by the Aam Aadmi Party that the conspiracy is going to happen is to be blamed by only to the family of Arvind Kejriwal.
Right, sir.
The food which has been given to Arvind Kejriwal is coming from the home. You should understand that.
So apparently he was not having those home-cooked meals also, that multiple times, that at least 3 times that he was given. That also was not taking place, and because of less or maybe calorie deficit or less intake of meals, he may have lost a few kgs. Thank you very much, Mr. Harish Khurana, for joining in. Of course, when it comes to this big breaking update, Meenakshi is also with us with the letter that has now been taken up by the Delhi Lieutenant Governor. Yes, Meenakshi.
Yes, Amita. So I have that letter which has been written by the LG, and this is a Times Now mega exclusive. We are the only ones who have this letter. And what does this letter say? The letter which has been written to the CS. Now, obviously, you were pointing out many, issues which have been highlighted. Now, what this letter basically says that the report is bringing out the fact that there are several instances of willful low-calorie intake by the Honorable Chief Minister despite sufficient home-cooked food being given to it. Diet monitoring chart indicates that between 6 June and 13 June, the Chief Minister had not fully consumed the prescribed diet for all 3 meals. Report also suggests lots of weight that is now at 61 kgs was earlier 63 kgs. So prima facie it looks like Kejriwal has lost weight due to the low calorie intake. 18th June, insulin it looks like had not been administered to him or was not recorded by the present authorities. Now on 19th June what happens? A glucometer reading which was done prior to lunch registered 104 mgl while the other readings at 12:30 p.m. on the same day was 82 mgl. So there are glaring discrepancies also in the glucometer ratings, the readings which we are seeing. So also what this report says is that this is very, very significant that on 6th of July 2024, what is the charge? The charge or the allegation is that the Chief Minister did not consume prescribed diet. And this is until the certain units or 5 units of insulin were administered to him, and even after 4 units were given to him before lunch, insulin before dinner was refused by the chief minister himself. So this report basically, or this letter basically says that insulin had been refused by none other than the chief minister himself, and LG office says that the LG had expressed concern on this non-consumption of prescribed medical diet and medications by the chief minister, also obviously saying that he needs to think of the medical and legal ramifications of the same. So what basically this letter says, very similar to the Tihar medical report, Amita, which we had obviously broken first earlier as well. Here also this letter basically saying how the LG has been expressing concern, and how according to this letter, it's Kejriwal himself who has not been eating home cooked meals and has been reportedly and deliberately refusing sometimes insulin intake and right before a meal is served.
And that the concerns that have been raised by the Delhi Lieutenant Governor on the non-consumption of prescribed medical diet and medications by the Honorable Chief Minister is also asked for the reasons thereof may be ascertained from him, since deviations from the same could also have medical and legal ramifications as well. That is now being pointed out by the Delhi Lieutenant Governor in this letter. Thank you very much, Meenakshi, for joining in. Of course, this story will gather a lot of reactions on this. This is a mega exclusive that we are picking up. We will be back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.